Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, man. Codingphase.com. Your boy is backing out and did it again. Guys, today we're going to basically start a new project here on YouTube. We're going to create this dashboard, right? I've been doing this for a while where I used to come in here, and give you guys a pretty cool tutorial, something quick, something to get you practicing your web development skills. And yeah, man, I'm doing all of this for you guys. You already know. Codingphase.com. Everything is provided by Codingphase.com. Guys, if you haven't checked it out, go to my website, sign up. You're going to learn everything from HTML, CSS to Sass to JavaScript to the whole shebang, right? Just check it out. Description is right below. Support your boy. I do everything for you guys. So let's start this, man. Because people have been asking, hey, Joe, what's the tutorials here on YouTube? Cool, let's do this. All right, so we're gonna start this off by, first of all, let me close this up. All right, we're gonna open Atom again. Cool, and we're going to go to github.com. right, you're going to go to github.com, codingphase.com, right, github.com/codingphase.com. All right, that's where we're going right now. Cool, we here, we live. I don't know if my video got stuck or something. All right, so basically we're gonna download this starter kit 2018. Okay, we're gonna start this up. We're gonna download this. All right, download that zip. All right, let me go back to my desktop, go to my downloads folder, come here. Let me see, where is it? Let me see, kind. Okay, starter kit 2018. I've downloaded it a million times. Every time that I do a video, I tell you guys to download this. But yeah, you start off with this starter kit. You open this up. Put it in a folder that you guys are comfortable with. For me, it's projects, so I'm gonna put it here. Okay, we're gonna come here, Starter Kit 2018, and we're going to name this, let's say, dashboard. All right. At some point, you guys are gonna have to build a dashboard. So, pretty much, you can start here with me. Okay. All right, now that we're here, we're gonna open up Atom. We're going to open up this project right here. We're going to go to projects. We're going to go into dashboard and open it up. Let me close this, close that. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to basically open up the terminal. If you guys don't have this package, download this package. It's called Platformio. What is it? Platformio IDE terminal. It basically gives you a terminal for Atom. All right. If you guys have what is it, Visual Studios, you can do the same thing too. So, all right. So now we have this amazing terminal here. All right. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna say npm install. Right, of course you gotta have Node.js installed on your computer, and make sure you have Gulp installed. Right, so that's it. That's about it. That's all the things that you need to get started. If you ever done any of my projects, you already know all of this stuff, right? Now, of course, you can do this on your own if you're an expert and you know how to do it yourself. Instead of using my own starter kit, you could have your own starter kit and do it on your own. All right. So let's start this up, kids. All right. Let that load. A lot of stuff got to download, man. Especially no Sass. I don't know why no Sass. Like they took out no Sass out of like, I forgot what package. I don't know if it was Node version 6 or 7 or something like that. Like after version 8, like now every single time you have to download no Sass in. is really annoying because it does take a while. I don't know why, but it takes a while to basically get started. So yeah, man. We just gotta wait until this thing downloads. After this thing downloads, then we're going to start building this project. So I'm gonna put the link for this so you guys can download this on your own. I'm gonna download it to my desktop, and like that you could actually have this information, this whole image, and basically get started. So like I said, this is a tutorial directly for my peoples in YouTube. And for the people on my website that want to practice, right? If you want to get your little practice on, if you feel like you might need a little extra help with, you know, HTML, CSS, listen, the only way you're going to get nice is by practicing. You know, don't watch me just doing it. You got to do it yourself, guys. You know, take advantage. You know, over 1,000 people have signed up to my website because they believe in me. They like what I'm doing. They like what I'm teaching them. They like what I'm doing here on YouTube. So, you know, at the same time, it's like, I know what I'm doing, kids. So make sure you follow your boy. Guys, man, I love you guys, man. Let's see if this thing finished downloading. Yeah, so we good now. We're definitely good. Now we got this set up, right? The first thing that we want to do is we're going to come here to public. All right, let me close this up. Okay, now let me run npm run watch. Okay, there you go. Coding phase starter kit. Guys, make sure you click this. You give this a start. If you're using this starter kit, give it a start, man. Make sure you give it a star. It's useful. A lot of people love it. So make sure you give it a star. Cool. Now, let's come here. What we're going to do is we're going to delete everything that's here. And we're going to start from scratch. All right. So let's put this right here on this side. Let's put this here. I'm going to put myself all the way at the bottom, so I don't bother you guys with this stuff. And let's look at this image. Let's go to the desktop. Open this up. Okay, cool. First thing that we're going to do is basically we're going to do the side menu. Let's do it by sections, right? Let's do the side menu and let's start it up. Okay. Now, before anything, we're going to go to color.adobe and we're going to get all the colors, right? All the major colors of this image. Make sure you sign in, right? After you sign in, just upload the photos. Okay, cool. Let me see. Let's get all those colors. We got this one. That green is fire. What else? Got this blue. Let's get that. Okay, so we got that. Hold on, let's put it in order. This one for that one. This one for this one. The green is fine. Let me see. And then from there we have the grays. And let's take this gray. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to save this. Make sure you sign in. For me is Joe Santos Garcia. You guys figure it out. Okay, this thing is annoying. So because we didn't sign in, I'm gonna have to do it again. That's why I tell you guys, sign in first. Don't be like me. Make your life easier. So put that there. Take this into the green. This into that one. And then, hold on. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we got the colors. Those are our colors right there. All right. I might share this. I think I could share this and give it to you guys. So, whatever. Okay, cool. Let me see. Edit copy. So, first of all, we're going to come here to our Sass, right? And we're going to create one file called underscore variables .scss. All right. And here, what we're going to do is we're going to take one and we're going to say purple. Okay, purple light. Yeah, purple light. I don't know. Yeah, camel case. Capital T or capital L. Purple light. And then we're going to say, we're going to paste this in what we just copied. Put the little hashtag. Okay. Now for this one, we're going to say purple dark. All right. And we're going to copy the second one. Okay. We're going to take this green. We're going to say neon green. Gonna put the hashtag, paste that. We're going to say light gray. Then dark gray. Okay, copy this from here. Paste it there. Hold on. Copy this and paste it there. All right, there you go. There's 5 different colors. Okay. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to make the background. All right, so we're gonna come to main, delete card. We don't need card. Okay, we're gonna come here, delete everything here. We're gonna do the first thing we want to do is we're going to come here and say like this. We're gonna say box sizing border box. That's automatically. That should be automatic for every developer, period. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to come here and say background, and we're going to put in our variable of light gray. Okay, what's the issue? Oh yeah, we haven't imported it. So we got to import this first. So we're going to say import variables. Okay. Cool. Now, come here. Okay, so it's light gray. Now, the next thing that we want to do is, let me close a couple of things. Close that, close that, close that, close that. And let's just leave this 2 windows open for now. All right. Now, let's look at the image, see what we want to do. The first thing we want to do is this side menu. So let's name it ID side menu. Okay, side menu. And we're going to say background. Background. What was it? What was the variable? Purple light. Purple light. Let's change this around. I like having the colors first. So it's gray, light, and then change it here in the variable. So we're gonna do gray, light, and then gray dark. Now save this and then save this. Okay, now let's go back here. So first of all, we want to create a section. And I know people's gonna be like, oh, you could use a side, you could use this, you could use a div. Who cares? Use whatever you want to use, you know what I mean? Use whatever you're comfortable with, right? It doesn't matter. It's just elements. Like, nobody cares. All right. Me, I like to use sections. So section, we're gonna say side menu. Okay, cool. Now the next thing we want to do is look at the image again. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 elements there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create side menu, and then we're gonna say UL, right? Or even we could do nav. We could do nav for navigation, and then put anchor links inside of them, and say href. Let's put in like that, and let's say item. All right. For now, it doesn't matter what we call them. So we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste this 6 times. Okay, 3, 6. All right. Cool. So you can see right now it's currently on a block level. We want to change that. So we're gonna come here to main, and we're gonna come inside of the side menu. We're gonna say something like this. I'm gonna say max width, and let's look at the image. This is just an estimate. Okay, 280. So max width 280 pixels. Okay, and then we're gonna say UL, or no, we changed it to a nav, right? So nav, and then inside A, the anchor tags, we're gonna say display block. Okay, each one. Okay, we're gonna say, let me see, I think, what was it? We got light, so purple light. All right, and then we're gonna say, and if it has the class active, we're gonna say background is what's that, purple dark. Okay, so that's if it has the class active. Right now we're gonna leave that alone. Okay, we're gonna come here, we're gonna say something like this. We're gonna say color white. All right, text decoration none. Okay, text decoration none. Let's see what else. Look at this image. Let's see, padding. We're gonna say 20 pixels for now. All right, 20 pixels, maybe 15 pixels on top and right. And then from left and right, let's say something like this. Let's say 30 pixels. All right, that seems right. Yeah, 30 pixels. Okay, cool. Now what else we want to do to this? We want to look at the image again. You know, sometimes that's why it's good to have like 2-3 screens. Let me move this up a little bit for now. put that there like that. Okay, so we got that. Let's say the color of it is not white. It's actually, let's say, gray light or gray dark. Yeah, gray dark is a little bit better for it. And then from there, let's come here, and on one of them, let's put a class of active. Okay. Cool. Now, what else we want to do to this? We want to say nav margin top. Let's say for now, so we can see a difference. 100 pixels. Okay. Side menu should be, matter of fact, a padding. Let's say padding top for now. You know, sometimes using shortcuts can be really annoying. You know, you think you're saving yourself time, but sometimes if you make a mistake, it's like you're really wasting time. Okay, so we got that right for now. And let's see what else we want to do to this. So we want to say, if it's active, we want border right. Let's say 5 pixels for now, right? 5 pixels solid, and then we're going to put in the color of neon. Was it neon green? Neon green. Let's change that to green neon. Okay, so green neon. And then save that, save that. Okay. Now it's supposed to be border left. Sorry. Okay, border left, 5 pixels. Now what you want to do is you want to subtract that 5 pixels that we put in from the border. So we want to say 30 pixels is fine. 30 pixels to the right. Now let's do 15 pixels at the bottom, and let's put in 25 pixels to the left. Let me see. Copy this. It's supposed to be on this one. 15 pixels, 30. Okay, so delete that. On this one, you put in padding 15, 30, 15, 25. So there you go. Okay, so now we have all of them even. Let's go to font awesome CDN on Google. Let's search that. Bootstrap CDN to me is the best because they give you everything already there for you. All you gotta do is copy it. So paste it. Paste it on your index. Now let's go to the Google Fonts site. Well, not Google Fonts. Font Awesome icons. Okay. Here, let's get the home. Okay. Let's get the home. All right. Let's get let's just write down, let me see, notes. For now, it doesn't really matter which ones we get, because this is just prototyping, guys. This is just like for practice. This is just to see if we can do it, you know what I mean? Okay, we got that. Let's see, bookmark. Okay, bookmark. Okay, let me see, what's the other one? Let me search schedule. So there's no schedule. Let's say calendar. Let's just put this one. All right, paste this here, put a space. What's the other one? Users. So search user. I actually like the little circle one. User. You know, it's kind of ridiculous that Font Awesome, they got like $1 million and they still haven't released version 5 of Font Awesome. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. Like $1 million and you're telling me you can't make this little simple fonts? Like, come on, man. You know, sometimes that's why I get pissed off at a lot of people, because I'm like, man, come on. You're telling me you got everybody to pay you money, pay you $1 million, and with $1 million, and you guys still cannot create like new fonts? Like, come on, man. All right, cool. So we got all our icons here. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to edit those icons. So let me see. We're going to come here and we're going to say FA. So this is going to target all the icons, and we're going to say color green neon. Make sure you put in the $sign for variable. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is let's do this. Let's put font weight of 300. Okay, and then we're going to say to the FA, we're going to make font size, let's say 1.4 rem. 1.4 rem. Is that a little bit too big? Nah, that's fine. And we're gonna put padding of, no, not padding, margin right of, let's say 0.8 rems. Okay, now hold on, let me see too. We got an issue to make all of these icons to be on the same size. This is what we got to do with CSS trickery, guys. Let me see. I want all of them to be in the same size. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually split this up. We're going to come here. We're going to say span. We're going to put spans, right? Let me try, hold on, before I do spans, let me try this. Save this. We're going to say display inline block, right? And we're gonna say width, let's say 30 pixels. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. You see? So now what we just did was we basically put this into an inline block, and now we said, hey, this is the width of this is going to be 30 pixels. And then now we're not really pushing things by the margin of the size of whatever the icon really is. We're just saying, hey, this is 30 pixels. So now push everything, 0.8 rems to the side. Now, one thing that we want to do is we want to center this. So to center it, what we're going to do is we're going to say position relative, and we're going to say top 3 pixels. Make it 2 pixels. There you go. And voila, kids. Now, one thing too that we want to do is we're going to put a little animation on this, because we want this side menu to animate. So how can we do this, right? How can we make this animate? We're going to do a hover, right? So on this anchor link, we're going to come here and we're going to say, and when you hover on this anchor link, we want the background to be green neon. Okay, we're going to say transition all, ease, okay, all, and then 0.5 seconds, and then we say ease in and out. Now put this at 0.3 seconds, save it. All right, maybe not. The green neon is too much, but let's do it for what was it? Let's say purple dark, background purple dark. So then, okay, and then let's put in the border left. Let's copy this stuff. Oops. All these things that are here, we're gonna copy it into this. Okay. All right, cool. So as you can see, all right, there you go, kids. Cool. Now, the last thing before I leave, and we leave this thing alone and we continue tomorrow, is going to be, let's make this with 100% of the screen. Okay, so we're gonna say something like this. We're gonna say position, not fixed, say relative, say top 0, bottom 0. Okay, matter of fact, absolute. Okay, position absolute. Now we're gonna say width 280 pixels, which makes the maximum width useless. All right, so there you go, we saved that, and now we have the side menu, guys. It's a quick little side menu. Now, oh, you know what, let's do this. The F8, right, we're going to make it gray dark, and then on active we're going to make them, so we'll say here, when it's active, when it has the class active, the F8, we're going to make color neon, well, green neon, right? So we can see, hey, it's active. And we're gonna do the same thing for when we hover it. Okay. So you can see, there you go, kids. That's what I'm talking about. I'll see you guys later. Stay up, man. I love you guys. Guys, listen, this is just a quick tutorial that I'm doing. Nothing crazy. This is just for practice for you guys. If you're really serious about learning web development and you're looking for somebody to teach you in a way that you can understand and break it down into simple terms, you know, that's what I do. That's what I'm really good at, is to break down complicated subjects and just break it down into something that anybody can understand. Guys, if you haven't signed up to my website or bought any of my courses on Udemy, this is the time. Take your time. Check on the description below. I love you guys. Stay up. It's your boy Joe, back at it again, man. Codingphase.com, doing it full time now, kids. I've got no excuse to help you out. You know what I mean? Now it's up to you and your turn to put in your part. Do you want me to help you or not? You dig? Love you guys. We're going to continue this later on. Bye.